Alexa, what's today?
Tuesday, August 3rd.
Yeah, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday, August 3rd, y'all. I'm just right now trying to go through some of my makeup. I have so much that really needs to be tossed away, like ancient kind of stuff that's so old and I don't touch it and I won't be using it, period. So I had this Black Radiance True Complexion Match Me foundation. That's trash. This is, excuse the noise, a Black Opal True foundation. This one, it's just super not the right color and it's old. This is a Black Opal liquid foundation that's of course not the right shade and old. This is Black Opal as well. I don't even know what the color of this one is. Champagne beige. I don't think I wear that color. I think if I use anything, it's Heavenly Honey. That one's gonna get tossed. It's old anyway. I know this Ulta Double Duty foundation and primer is super old. The one that I need to restock on is going to be the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation with a broad spectrum SPF of 15, and the shade I use is Tan Deep Sand. I don't know if they still have that or not, but this is what I'm gonna gear. And I have this Kat Von D. I'm gonna see if Maddie wants that. And this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea is empty, so I'm tossing those out today.